Welcome children. In this video I am going to talk about how we can apply different borders and shading in a document, on a paragraph or on an entire page in a Word document. And we are also going to talk about how we can insert a cover page, means the front page in a Word document. So firstly we will talk about how we can apply borders and shading to our paragraph or to an entire page. Okay, so let's say this is my page, or these are my two paragraph, and I want to apply some borders or shading borders to this particular paragraph. So how will I do it? I will just go to this insert in this home tab. When you click on the home tab, you see this paragraph group. If you have an older version of Word, in this paragraph group you can see the option borders and shading right away on this paragraph group. In this paragraph group you will have a button called borders and shading, and in this version I will see, in this paragraph group I will go to this borders, and in the last you will see borders and shading. अगर आपका कोई पुराना वर्जन है, आपको यहीं पे borders and shading का बटन दिख जाएगा, because since it's a new version I will just go to this borders and I will click here, and in the last you can see the borders and shading. When you click on borders and shading, you will see this box that appears. Okay, in this box you can just choose any borders that you want to apply. These are the styles of borders that you can apply. Let's say I choose this shadow, and you can choose the line border style. You can choose any style. Let's say I choose this border. Okay, and color you can just give any. Automatic is a black color. I can choose any color from here. Let's say I choose this gray color. Okay, and I will just click. You can apply to paragraph. Okay, oh sorry, so I will just go to this option again. I will click on this borders option, go to this borders and shading. When you see this, you can see this box that opens. You can choose any settings from here. Let's say I choose this shadow option. You choose the line style from here. आपको style choose करना है, choose this style. Okay, you can just choose anything. You can apply it to paragraph. Okay, it is selected, apply to paragraph, and you can just press OK. So when you press OK, you see this particular border is applied to this entire paragraph. Okay, so let's say I want to apply this to the entire these two paragraphs. So I will select these two paragraphs. Okay, and I go to this borders option, go to borders and shading, and I apply, choose this shadow, and I choose, let's say I choose this, and I click on apply. When you do this, you see the border is applied on these two paragraphs. Okay, so you can choose any option. आपके पास बहुत सारे styles available हैं. You just need to go. You should know from where you get these options. You just need to click on home, go to the borders option, and you click on borders and shading, and from here you can choose any option. You can choose 3D. When you choose 3D, you can choose any style from here. Let's say let's choose a different style. I choose this, and I click on OK, and when you do, you can see your border style is changed. This is how you apply border style to an entire page, or you can apply it to an entire paragraph or more than two paragraphs. Okay, so I choose this, and I go to borders. I go to borders and shading, and I choose shadow, and I choose this option, and I press OK. So when you do this, you see the border is applied to your complete page. Alright, so this is how you apply borders and shading. Now the last topic that I'm going to discuss with you is how you can insert a cover page in your document. What is a cover page? आपने देखा होगा, whenever you make assignments in your schools, let's say you handwritten assignments when you make, सो आप उसके सबसे पहले क्या लगाते हो? आप कवर पेज. कवर पेज क्या होता है? जो सबसे फर्स्ट पेज होता है, उसके ऊपर आप क्या लिखते हो? टाइटल ऑफ योर असाइनमेंट. So similarly, in case of Microsoft Word also, you can insert a cover page in your assignment. If you are making an assignment or you are making a document, you can just insert a cover page, means the front page where you just it's a beautiful page front, a colored page where you can just insert the title about your about your assignment, the heading of your assignment. So you can just see how you can insert a cover page. How you do it? You just need to go to the insert option at the top. When you click on insert, the first thing that you see is a cover page option. When you click on cover page, you see there are number of cover pages that are already present in Word. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे cover pages का already एक बनी हुई हैं images. So you can choose any cover page from these, right? Let's say I choose, this. Okay, I will go to cover page and let's say I choose this, and you see this cover page is inserted. आप यहाँ पे document title दोगे, यहाँ पे आप click करोगे, and when you click here you can insert the title, advanced features of word processor. Okay, you can just type the name. Okay, so this is how you can insert a cover page in the Word document. So children, there are number of cover pages that are already there. When you will try doing these options, when you try it on your computers, you can explore number of other options also in your Word. Okay, so that's all for these two topics we have already discussed. Now how we insert cover page, how we can apply borders and shading. So I would just suggest you, if you have computers at your home, please try these things at your home. When you do it yourself on your computers, you will be more familiar with using Word yourself. Okay, and you might be able to explore some more options that are not in your syllabus, but you can just explore. When you use Word, you can explore a number of other options also. Okay, thank you children, that's all for this video. Stay tuned for all the rest of the videos also. Thank you children, and God bless you all.